Let me show you how to make an instant carrot and chili pickle. I've taken one peeled carrot. I'm going to chop it into fingers of approximately 2.5 inch long and 3 centimeters thick. Remove the center of the carrot, as you can see it here. I've taken 2 carrots. Carrots can be found in red and orange colors. In season, you will find red carrots. Otherwise, you will find these orange carrots. Either of them are fine to use. I've sliced chilies from the center. Add it as much as you require. I've taken 2 carrots and 4 chilies and I've cut them lengthwise into approximately 2.5–3 inches. Moving on to the next step now. Heat a pan and add 2 spoons of oil. Let the oil come to heat. Now add your carrots. Add half a spoon of salt. Always remember, in any pickle, oil and salt plays a very important role in its preservation. So be a little generous while using salt and oil. It also adds to the taste, so don't worry. We'll cook our carrots for 1 minute so that they soften a little. As it's an instant pickle, we'll not leave it aside in the brim for long or maybe in the sun for long, which does the cooking. So we'll cook it off on the gas and make it slightly soft. Add 2 spoons of vinegar. Vinegar brings the sourness in the pickle that also preserves the pickle. Let the carrots get cooked in the vinegar and oil. Add a little water if you need. Don't add too much water because we don't want our carrots to get cooked too much. We need a bite. They just need to soften from the outside. If you can see, the vinegar and the water has dried off and your carrot seems to have softened a little. Now we'll set them aside to cool down. I'm going to add 2 spoons of mustard seeds to a grinder and grind them to a semi-coarse texture. They don't need to be fine, they just need to split into half. Let me show you how it looks. If you can see, we've coarsely grind our mustard seeds. This is what they look like. The mustard seeds look dark brown and black from the outside. They look ochre yellow from the inside. Mustard seeds add a great flavor and also texture to your pickle. Take another pan and heat some oil. Now we are going to prepare the tempering of our pickle. I'm taking approximately 3 spoons of oil. We've added, for a carrot cooking process, we've taken 2 spoons of oil. Now I have taken 3 spoons of oil. A pickle requires oil, so don't shy away from using oil. If you can see, our oil is hot. I'm adding the mustard seeds. It will start splattering. Now add a generous spoon of red chili powder. This will bring a nice color to your pickle and also bring great flavor. Add hing to it. As a saffrita, I've added 1 small spoon of hing. Hing brings great aroma to your pickles. Also, it's known for its digestive properties. Hing aids digestion. Now I'm going to add the sliced green chilies. Just mix it a little. We don't intend to cook the chilies because the chilies need to have that bite. But we mix in the chilies. I'm going to add a carrot which we had set aside to cool. And mix it all together. Always check whatever you're preparing for salt. As you can see, the colors are looking amazing. The smell here is beautiful. Our carrots are coated well. I'm going to shut off the gas now. Make sure Your carrots and your chilies are coated well with the spice. Add salt if you feel it needs more. Any pickle is usually tart and has a notch of salt over the normal salt that you eat in your everyday food. Pickles are supposed to be salty and sour. Your carrot and chili instant pickle is ready. Now we will put it in a jar and store in a cool dry place or in a refrigerator. I'm going to store the carrot and chili pickle in a jar. It goes great with chole bhature or your parathas, your morning breakfast, some kind of rice. This can stay up to a week and can be made in a jiffy. It takes 5 to 10 minutes to prepare and goes great with your Indian meals. Once your pickle is in the jar, shut the lid. Your pickle is ready. Always make sure that you store it in a cool dry place and or refrigerate it.